Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar and to another cool song from NEFFEX called Best of Me. So this one is pretty much straightforward with the strumming and 4 chords. We have a couple extra, but it's mainly 4 chords here. So let's start right away. No need for any capo. And let's start with the chords. We have the A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is the F. So you need to bar all strings here on the first fret, and the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. Next is C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Then we have G. So third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And this is pretty much what this song is all about, but we will need 2 more chords in the end of the song. That is the D minor. So that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. And finally the E. So open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Okay, so we will use the A minor, F, C, and G. That is the chord progression. And you will play 8 downs for each chord. That will be how you handle the chords. So like that, and then you switch to F, and then to C, and G. Right. So you will start with 8 rounds of this chord progression with this kind of playing fast downs. 8 rounds of that, and that will take you to the pre-chorus. So the pre-chorus in the lyrics, they're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. All right, so that's the pre-chorus. And for this one, you will just do 1 down for the same chords, C and G. And you will do that for 2 rounds. After that comes kind of a chorus. They want the best of me now. So when you come to that part, you will continue the strumming for another 6 rounds. And after these 6 rounds, we are at the second verse, and that one will be played in the same way as the first verse, and that means that, yeah, you will continue the strumming for another 8 rounds. So we understand there's a lot of downs here for this chord progression. So second verse, another 8 rounds. That takes us to the second pre-chorus, played in the same way as the pre-chorus we just learned, only 1 down for each chord. And then we have another chorus, and that means another 6 rounds of the same chords, same kind of strumming, only downs. And that pretty much covers this cool song from NEFFEX. The only thing, we have an ending here of the song. It's 2 rounds of the following chords: A minor, F, D minor, and E. And you will play 8 fast downs for each chord there as well. So it will sound like this. Is how the cool song from NEFFEX Best of Me ends. If you're interested to see more from NEFFEX, then stay tuned on this channel. We will come back with many cool songs from him. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you soon, guys, and don't forget, play tuned.